welcome to the Teaching Corner. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about organization. So this year I started doing something for myself that's really helped me when I'm teaching various topics for my kids. I got just some bins at the Dollar Tree, and these are just like those little Ziploc, type things. And I'll write on there what is in here, and these have all the games that I have for the various things, or I have also created bags if they were too big for the bins. So in these, what I'll do is if I happen to have tangible things to hold on to, like this happens to be my H brothers, so like I have a whistle and a shark and a wheel and a thimble, things that go along with H brothers. If I have cards from any of my various things that deals with, like this is so here's a peach. Then I have things that are games for my kids, like different sorts, different syllable sorts, or if I happen to have one of the little wheels that they can turn and different things show up on them, or if I have any kind of cards that have the particular thing on it. Again, I've got some more games. So I just try to keep all of the things that, instead of like being a paper activity, it's something that I can grab quickly and show them. We could do some kind of sort. We could play some kind of quick game, and it keeps it fun and it keeps it interesting, but it's readily available and at hand. And then inside my bags, if I have something like a book perhaps that's too big for it, and I'll tab it for myself to help myself remember what kind of book it is, or if I have something that's like board game size that I want for us to be able to play, I'll keep it inside the bag so that I have it ready, so that when I need it, it's easy and accessible and ready to go, and they're all put in bags according to my particular sequence. So I hope that was helpful. If it was, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.